Hello everyone from Patio Frutal. This is Sergio coming at you. Today is June the 5th, and well, I have got finished putting up the fence uh, in this area of the yard. Uh, this was the place where I grew my figs last year to make them mature, to grow them to maturity. This was the place. That's why it's full of hole like a minefield. But I have got done. I've been working for 2 days, half a day yesterday and quite a few hours today. So it's been a very hard work because temperatures today were 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Summer is not here yet. It should be around the 21st or 22nd. But the temperature definitely climbed up for the first time, broke 80. So this is pretty cool. So now, pretty hot. Pardon me. So I have put this long fencing, which is about, I don't know, 50 plus feet long by 45 maybe wide, or maybe the same length. Because it's not an even fence, it goes in angles. So as you see, it goes around, kind of octagonal, sort of in places. Because, well, that's what I had to do. In some areas, like I got that tree there, so I wouldn't want to fence up going that way because it gets sun there. But anyway, so this area here, I'm planning to grow what the Native American called the three sister, which is corn, bean, and squash together in the same field. So I guess they work out pretty well because the beans pick up nitrogens and deposit into the ground, so fertilizes the ground and the corn, and they're both beneficial to each other. So, so I got done with this fence. These is all recycled materials from other people's fences that was given to me. So I just save it for this project. And right now, I have to drive all these poles. Although they look nice and straight right now, sometimes they didn't drive straight because rocks underneath threw them out of place. So I have to play with it and pull them up after me and straighten them out. So it was hard work because when you work by yourself, it's a lot harder. It takes you 3 times to do it. It would have taken when you got help. But anyway, so I got the fence going around in places. You see rocks, turning points. So this is my burning area. I burned a lot stuff in there a week ago, but I still got more stuff that I pick here that have to be burnt. And there's a little pile there, but not much. But anyway, so each pole, I climb up on that ladder and I drill it down with a hammer. And there's always things, roots, stuff you can drive your fence down. And by the way, these chain links, they're pretty heavy. So and they scratch a lot too. So it was tedious work, but it's done. And as you see here, we have a little corner here that it was supposed to go straight up to that pole, but then because we have this giant rock here, well, I have to make a detour and go around. So I am pretty excited that this got done. I thought I wasn't going to do it today, finish it today, but it is all finished. Now what's left is I have to tilling the ground and then plant. Let's see how it grows. And also what's left is these pine trees here. I definitely have to cut them down. Well, those there, not exactly cut them, but you have to peel them. You see how they are clear all the way up there? That's like good, close to 40 feet tall. But I gotta go up there and clear all of those out of the way. Clear that one there out of the way. And then this one low here, of course, clear them up. I also still got some trees here along the edge of the property because my property goes another 25 feet on the other side of the fence that I just put up. So I probably clear some of those trees, but I'll take my time. Probably do it in the winter time, which it's better. You don't have too many stuff in your way. But anyway, so this is right next to my chicken area, and we'll see. So now we'll move on to the next project, which will be tilling and planting, and hopefully. Oh, over here I got three not butternut squash. These are Guatemalan squash. I heard that they are pretty hard. You have to use a machete to cut them, and they're sweet. And there's a lot of dishes you can do with squash. So I'm very excited with these three plants that I grew from seeds that a friend gave me, and well, they're already in the ground. They're already ahead. So we'll see, guys. Give you an update later on, see how things are going, and we'll move on to the next project, which will be tilling. So there you go, guys, from Patio Frutal. Hope you like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. I appreciate those, and you have a blessed evening.